Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Weebly website, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a YouTube video into your Weebly website? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a YouTube video into your Weebly website anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business and you're getting a lot of traffic onto your Weebly website, it might be a good opportunity to put one of your YouTube videos on there to help promote your YouTube channel. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Weebly website editor. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Weebly editor, and this is the home screen. Now, if you want to add a YouTube video into your Weebly website, first you want to choose the page you're going to add it to up here on the top left. So I'm going to add it to this one right here, Cool Cars. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the different sections you have inside of your Weebly page, but you want to scroll all the way to the bottom and click on this right here, Add Section. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different options you have, but you want to scroll down until you see video. Okay, here you can go ahead and choose the video format. So you can have one with a little text on the side and the video on the right, or just a big video. For me, I'm going to do the one with the text on the side. Next, what you're going to do is click into the section here on the right. After you do that, you're going to see the video editor. So click on source and make sure you've chosen YouTube. And next, you're going to go ahead and paste in the YouTube URL. Let me go ahead and grab a YouTube video. Okay, I pulled up one of my YouTube videos. Just so you know, it doesn't necessarily need to be your personal YouTube video. It could be any YouTube video as long as they have the share feature right here turned on. And all you're going to do is just click on share and then copy the link and then come back over here to your Weebly editor and then paste in the link right here. All right, quick second later, the thumbnail is going to show up for that YouTube video. Here you can go ahead and adjust the settings if you want, and then you want to click on publish here on the top right. Okay, quick second later, it's published. So now anybody who ends up on this page on my Weebly website is going to see my YouTube video right here. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a YouTube video into your Weebly website, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.